you again. Come into my kitchen. Guess what? Today is Sunday, and for dessert after dinner, my family does a tradition. We have sundaes on Sunday. Here's what we need for the sundae. We need ice cream, fresh strawberries, fresh bananas, whipped cream, honey, caramel syrup, chocolate syrup. Oh, and almost forgot, sprinkles. Let's do some chopping. Let's put it all together. Now we're gonna scoop out the ice cream, open the lid, oh, this is a hard lid. Oh. Now we're gonna keep scooping the ice cream, and here's a tip. You can do kind of a big scoop really deep into the ice cream. Whoa. And you can use a knife and kind of just go like either this or this. I'm going to go like this. What will the critics say?